Hi everybody, I hope you're all well and are not too hot on this Scorchio weekend, because blimey, it's flipping hot. I really want to test whether or not I can cook a cake directly in the Cosori, and the only reason why I'm choosing the Cosori is because it has the heating element underneath as well as on top. I don't think this would work in air fryers if they don't have the dual capacity. It may not work, to be fair, but one of the things I really fancied making for ages was a tray bake, and I can't do that really unless I've got something that kind of fits in that kind of square fashion or rectangle fashion like I used to do. And I'm going to make exactly the same. I'm hoping this will work. If it doesn't, then I've learned my lesson. Don't try it again. But I have lined it. And I've even sort of, what do you call it? You know when you kind of put a bit of marge on the actual surface, rub it in, and then the paper sort of sticks. So, you know, we'll see. I won't bore you with the mixing and all that kind of stuff, because you've seen cake recipes galore. And I have quite a few. I will put a link in the description. My coffee cake that was pretty good, and that's all got the whole mixing. It's all the same thing, you know, the egg and sugar and yeah, you know how the cakes are made. I really want to test if this will work. So come and have a look at the ingredients. Oh, before I do, thank you Sarah Freeman for becoming our latest Patreon budget buddy. Welcome to the budget buddy family. Oh, it's so lovely of you to join. Yeah, so thank you very much. I better check super thanks, actually, back in a tick. So thank you for super thanks. Tanya Big B, thank you very much. Maureen Wilkinson, thank you Mo. And Patricia Byrne, thank you very much Patricia. Thank you all three of you for your super thanks. It's really lovely. It helps support buying recipes and ingredients for recipes for the channel. Thank you very much. Right, I think I'm steaming up my glasses. I feel that they're blur. Yeah, they're not helping. So come and have a look at the ingredients. So we've got your standard cake materials, self-raising flour, there's baking powder as well. The ingredients will float up here. Eggs, vanilla extract, a bit of milk, etc. And that's for the you know, the icing sugar and the hundreds and thousands. So yeah, gonna crack on, mix the cake, and the next time you see me I'll be adding that cake mixture directly into the Cosori basket. I'm such an idiot, I'd actually forgotten, well, it was in the fridge. I forgot to get it out. So I do have butter stroke margarine. I always use margarine. Yeah, so before, I know, I can imagine you're all going, where's the butter, where's the butter? But here it is. Right, now I'm going to mix the cake, start mixing the cake, and I'll see you in a bit. And another thing, I keep forgetting things, I did want to say thank you to Penny for buying one of my aprons. Penny, I'm just going to post it on Tuesday because I've got to get it all ready for you, okay? Thank you very much. Right, back to the cake. Okay, mixture's made. I'm not going to bother with preheating, I'm just going to stick it straight in. Right, in it goes. Bake 160 for 30 minutes. And then 10 minutes at 150 after that. So here goes. See you in a bit. So it's about to end. I am a little bit nervous about this. Let's have a look. Oh my god. That's so good. Wow. Right, we've got to test it because I'm sort of thinking I might need to do another 10 minutes, but that's right to the bottom. Wow. Well, I don't need to do the 10 minutes. That looks great. I'm going to let that cool in its basket. Right, we're going to get it out now. It's still warm, but it's safe to get out. This is the, I'm not sure how this is going to go. I'm going to check the underside, so I'm just going to flip it carefully. Just so we can see. Wow. Well, I'm going to flip it back again because I don't want it to be upside down. I just so we can see the state of the underside. Oh. Ooh. Back on. There we go. Right, let that cool further. I'm going to keep, yeah, because when I put the icing, I want the paper to sort of stop it from going everywhere. Okay, I'm going to put the icing sugar on. Sprinkles on quick. Ooh. Right, lovely. I'm really pleased with that. Well, we'll be coming back for a taste test very soon, but I'm really pleased with how it came out of the Cosori. It's a huge cake. It's the size of the basket. So that's brilliant. Right, I'll be back for a taste test very soon. See you in a bit. Okay, I'm just going to cut it up into small squares. Yay. Let's have a close look. Yeah. Oh, I am so pleased. I absolutely thought that this would fail. I thought there's a high chance that the bottom wouldn't be cooked enough, which is why I flipped it to have a look. But no, look at that. And the bottom, when we saw it, was lovely, evenly brown. I'm just so impressed. So I will do that again, cooking it directly in that basket. And I counted them. I've got 25 of these. That's a lot. And let's test out the sponge. I mean, it looks absolutely brilliant. It looks fantastic. Bear with, bear with. So soft. Oh my God. Light and fluffy. Ooh, yeah, unbelievable. I mean, I haven't worked out the cost breakdown, but I will do, and if it does, I will know how much it is for the whole cake and per piece. Oh, that's so nice. The sponge is amazing. One more. Oh, excuse me. icing at the back of the throat. Oh, it's delicious. Well, we're going to go to the allotment to water. It's late, it's now gone 7, so it's a bit cooler and everything needs watering, but the boys will get a cake because they're coming to help. Thanks everybody for watching. Thanks again, Sarah Freeman, for coming a Patreon budget buddy. Thank you so much. Take care, and hope you hope you have a great rest of the week, because this will be going out on a Monday. This is why I don't ever know what day of the week it is. So have a great week, and I'll see you on Wednesday. Take care. Bye. Oh, this is so delicious.